How to change Facebook Messenger ringtone. Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step guide on changing your ringtone on Facebook Messenger. Let's just get started. First thing first, open up Messenger. Then you want to find the menu section at the bottom right. Then from there, go to Settings. Now on your settings, you need to find Notification and Sounds. Tap on it. Then from there, you can find the ringtone option down below. It's currently selected to Messenger. Now you can select any one of the ringtone from here, and you can just select any ringtone. You can increase your volume to listen to it. So I'll just select a random one from here. Now once you've selected your ringtone, you're good to go. Now every time you get a call on Messenger, your ringtone will be changed. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.